So today guys, maaga tayo no. Kasi walang pasok ba. So agahan ko mag-start kasi kung hindi kaya pagpapasok si Mr. Kailangan dali niya si Georgie with him. Kasi parang swap kami ba. Siyang nagbabantay during the day. Tapos pag na sinasama niya, bigay niya sa akin. So tapos yung swimming day ni Georgie is nag-change. So ako na yung maghatid sa kanya. So medyo kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ako sanay mag-drive pa ibang place ba. Kasi ang dinadrive ko is work home lang. So good luck. Tapos pupunta din sila sa pinagtrabahoan ko kasi dumating na daw yung glasses na na sinukat kay Georgie last time. Naputol ang ating vlog kasi tumawag si Mr. Tulog pa kasi siya nung umalis ako ba. I mean nasa kama pa. Sabi ko stay in bed. Sabi niya ang aga mo. Sabi ko oo para maaga akong kauwi. O di kaya pag kailangan nila ng overtime kapag stay tayo, di ba? Para extra income. Dito na tayo sa work guys. Nahihiya ako pag yung parking ko hindi straight. Kaya tinitingnan ko talaga. Nahihiya ako kasi minsan pag tinitingnan ako pag nagpa-park ba. Siyempre tatawanan ka no. Sabihin na okay naman yung parking natin. Hayaan mo silang mag-adjust. Right. Let's go. And earn the money. Work for it, girl. Where's the key? Natapos na tayo. Uwi na tayo ng ating pamilya. So kanina guys, habang naka-duty tayo no, pumunta si Georgie, nag-hide sa akin. Suot na niya glasses niya. Tapos dumaan sila sa McDo, nag-lunch. On the way pa lang sila sa bahay. Kung alam ko lang no, nagpahatid na lang sana ako. Kaya lang, pag nagpahatid ako, kailangan nang gumising maaga. Madisturbo tulog nila ba. Kaya yan talaga din ang isang purpose. Kaya nagdalawa kami ng sasakyan kasi pag may mga activity or mga doctor appointment, pag may mga doctor appointment tapos may mga lakad, hindi ka magdepende sa isa. Kasi guys dito depende kasi kung saan ka nakatira. Okay man mag-commute, kaya lang kung saan kasi kami nakatira takes time pag mag-take ng buses. Pag mag-take ng bus ang daming stop, so you're wasting your time mag-travel sa pag mag-bus kasi ang daming stopping ba. Mas mura pag may sasakyan kaya sabihin mahal ang gasolina, mahal ang insurance, mahal ang maintenance. Pero kung tutuusin, mas makatipid ka sa oras. Alam mo yun, pag winter, alam mo yun, at least hindi kayong giniginaw-ginaw. Pag ulan, alam mo yun, hindi ka nababasa agad kasi siyempre may shelter ka eh. Pag mag-commute ka, pahirapan talaga. Pero siyempre meron talagang ibang tao talaga na hindi rin nila afford ba kasi mas may importante pang gastusin na mas kailangan unahin. So kami kahit sakto-sakto lang nakakaraos pa din pag walang-wala na, so ibenta namin yung isang sakyan. Ganun lang yun no. Pag walang-wala na talaga, magbenta na ng mga gamit. Uwi na tayo. Guys, ayan na pala yung salamin ni Georgie. Kamay nga love. So, ayan guys, nasa bahay na tayo. So, ito na yung salamin niya guys. Pinick up niya today. Diba? Aray ko, taro nga pinaunsaw na siya.
Go to sleep.
Ayan ang salamin niya.
Ooh,
Ito yung dati niyang glasses guys. Ito yung Matilda glasses niya. Tapos pinalitan lang ng lens, no?
I had these for ages, but I hadn't wear them for ages.
Yeah, why you have to wear glasses though?
And my right eye is like weak or something.
The muscle of your right eye is weak, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you have to wear that every time, yeah?
Even in the swimming pool in bed.
Of course not. Before you before you go to swim, you need to take it off, no, and before you go to bed, you need to take it off. And do not touch the lens so that it won't get dirty. Diba?
Diba?
Mm. Next. Drawing daw si Georgie, mag-painting daw siya.
And guys, my mom picked these colors that I'm not used to working with. I use some of these a lot, but it's hard to use them for one picture. And I only have to use these colors. I can't pick another color. My mom made me pick these colors. So it's going to be a hard one. But I think I know what I'm doing with this.
I know what you're doing already.
A bit of a sparkle and a squeeze.
Where's your water to rinse your thing? You're not ready, no?
It's okay. You don't know, I don't know how to believe. I was going meant to be a little touch on people's side. I really find no place. Now I won't get to play. If you say
I love this song. Wait.
What song is it?
Your idol. Wait. I'll be your idol. They're still playing, right? Yeah. Okay, good. Every time they come to us, I could be a sanctuary. No, you need to know. Going on, you have to sound to the power. You know, I'm here for so long. You want to love yourself. The voice gets underneath your skin. Nothing else. I'm the power. Get them up a little higher. Give me a messiah. I can sound you a lion. No longer the joy you can't look away. No longer say you. No longer the I'm keep your idol. Love yourself. Oh no.
You did it yourself.
No.
Sinunsong na siya eh. Parang you enjoy watching it. Finish your food, right? Kanina pa yan.